Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back once again. I'm back new and latest ideas in styling. Looks different and beautiful. Uh, Texture tote inspired with textured stitches like popcorn bubbles or and cable stitches to create a beautiful design and appealing texture, and different add buttons, beads or embroidered to a simple clutch to make it stand out, and create straps using beautiful variety colors and webs to design a cheek texture, and beautiful ideas. Mix and match different elements to create a unique and design crochet handbags that suit your personal taste. Different latest beautiful ideas. Clutch elegant and perfect formal designs. Crossbody bag, a smaller bag with a long strap, ideal for hand-free style and design. Market bag, make a symbol and friendly bag for shopping. So guys, I hope you like this video and my channel. Take care and bye bye. See you soon. Love.